In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to import an API into Tableau. Importing APIs can significantly enhance your data visualization capabilities by allowing you to integrate external data sources. Whether it's for adding real-time data or accessing specific data sets, connecting an API is a useful skill for any Tableau user. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to Tableau's official website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in tableau.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access the settings we'll be working with today. Now that you're on Tableau's website and logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Here, you'll want to click on Settings. This will take you to a screen where you can adjust various aspects of your Tableau experience. Once you're in the settings, the next thing to do is find and click on Extensions. Extensions in Tableau allow you to add new functionalities to your dashboards, and this is where you'll set up your API connection. You'll find extensions as one of the options available in the settings menu. With the extensions page open, you'll see a section labeled Analytics Extensions. This is where we can create a new connection to an API. Go ahead and click on Create New Connection. This action will initiate the process of linking your desired API with Tableau. Now, you'll be prompted to click on Analytics Extension API. By selecting this, you're specifying that you want to use an API as your analytics extension, which is crucial for pulling in the data you need from external sources. At this point, you'll need to enter some specific details. You'll be asked to provide a connection name, which is essentially a label for your API connection to help you identify it later. You'll also need to input the host name, which is the web address of the API you wish to connect to. Don't forget the port number, which is often provided by the API service. Lastly, you'll need to enter your username and password. These credentials are typically provided by your API service and are necessary for authenticating your connection to the API. Once all the required details are entered correctly, you're ready for the final step. Simply click on Create. This action will establish the connection between Tableau and your specified API. After this, your API data should be accessible within Tableau, allowing you to incorporate it into your dashboards and analyses. And there you have it. This simple guide has walked you through how to import an API into Tableau, enhancing your ability to work with dynamic data sources. Remember, each API might have its own specific requirements or additional steps, so always refer to the API documentation for any unique configurations. Happy data analyzing!